Okay, now I'm going to show you how to save your Revit sheets to a file so that we can put them, say, on our Weebly, or you could send them to someone or however you want to do it. And remember, you're always going to want to save your sheets electronically so that you can show other people. So I have my sheets all done, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Export this time. And what I want to export is the images. And we still have to set this up just like we have in the past. I need to tell it where I want to export it to, and you should change this to your drive. See if I can do it. My computer, put it in my drive, just like you're going to put yours there, and save it right there. That's where we're going to do it. See if I see that. Okay. So it's going to put it right there in my drive. And now what I want to do is make sure I've got selected views or sheets chosen here. Come on here, make sure that you've got just the sheets chosen that you want. That's what I want. My sheets right there. Okay. Now I need to make sure that I've got the rest of this looks good. So now when I click OK, it's going to do this. I'm going to pause the video for you so you don't have to wait. Okay, mine's saved, and I went to my H drive, and I suggest you do this if you haven't done it yet. Make a folder for CEA, and in there make a folder for the shed. And that's where you should put all of your Revit files and everything to do with the shed. What it just created when we did the export is it created these little files, and if I open one up, what it's created are JPEGs. So now I have JPEGs of each one of my pages that I could then take and place into a Word document or anything else I wanted to do that I could do with normal pictures. That's all there is to exporting them so that anyone can look at them.